Welcome to your interactive breakdown of cell metabolism. This topic is heavily tested in exams, linking enzyme action, energy release through respiration, and the digestion of food. By the end of this video, you'll be able to explain these interconnected processes with precision, ace graph interpretation questions, and confidently define key terms like denatured and active site. Let's dive in. Let's map out the big picture. Cell metabolism relies on three interconnected processes. Enzymes act as biological catalysts, making reactions happen fast enough for life. Respiration, both aerobic and anaerobic, releases energy stored in glucose. And digestion provides that glucose by breaking down food. Together, they form the foundation for growth, repair, and movement. Turning to our core study notes, these three terms are essential for top marks. Enzymes must include biological catalyst and a protein. The active site is the key to the lock and key hypothesis. Denatured is crucial for explaining why enzyme activity drops after the optimum temperature or pH. Memorize these definitions word for word. Now let's walk through the process. First, the specific substrate fits into the enzyme's active site. This is the lock and key hypothesis. Once bound, the enzyme substrate complex allows the reaction to happen much faster. After the reaction, the products are released, and the enzyme is exactly as it was before, able to catalyze the same reaction again. This is why enzymes are so efficient. Let's work through a typical 6-mark question. To secure full marks, you must describe the graph, explain the increase using collision theory, and explain the decrease using denaturation. Remember to use key terms like kinetic energy, active site, and denatured. This approach also works for pH questions, just replace temperature with pH. Watch out for these common pitfalls. Many students lose marks by saying an enzyme dies instead of denatures. Also, be precise about respiration. Aerobic requires oxygen and yields more ATP, while anaerobic yields less and produces lactic acid. Finally, when explaining graphs, always link the drop in activity to the active site changing shape. Examiners love that detail. To wrap up, remember that enzymes are the workhorses of metabolism, denaturing only under extreme conditions. Respiration is the energy release process, aerobic for endurance, anaerobic for bursts. Digestion supplies the fuel. You now have the tools to tackle any exam question on cell metabolism. Keep practicing graph interpretation and precision with definitions. Good luck!